The British Rail Class 780 represents the dawn of a new age in United Kingdom passenger transport, a symbol of the modern engineering spirit that defines the country's ambition to create a greener, faster, and more connected railway network for the 21st century. Designed through a strategic partnership between Hitachi Rail UK and Alstom Transport, the Class 780 merges British design heritage with cutting-edge international technology to form a train that is as beautiful as it is intelligent. From its conception, the Class 780 project was envisioned not merely as a replacement for aging diesel fleets but as a transformative leap forward, a train that would deliver superior performance, passenger comfort, and environmental efficiency across the nation's electrified and partially electrified routes. The development began after an extensive study of passenger trends, energy efficiency, and infrastructure compatibility, with the goal of introducing a modular platform capable of operating seamlessly on both urban commuter lines and inter-regional services. Engineers designed the new Class 780 with a lightweight aluminium frame, precision formed to improve aerodynamics and reduce drag by almost 15% compared to existing models. This body structure allows the train to achieve high speeds of up to 125 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, while maintaining remarkable stability, even on challenging British track geometry. Every aspect of the exterior design, from the streamlined nose profile to the subtly curved light clusters, reflects hours of computational fluid dynamics testing and wind tunnel optimization. Inside, the Class 780 introduces a new era of passenger experience. The spacious saloons are designed around natural light, panoramic windows, and a calming color palette inspired by British countryside tones. Each carriage incorporates ergonomic smart seating with dynamic lumbar support, USB-C charging, and adjustable headrests. Integrated infotainment screens display journey information, weather forecasts, and live connection data. Designers paid special attention to accessibility. Wide automatic doors with low floor entry allow easy boarding for wheelchair users, while tactile flooring and illuminated guidance strips enhance safety for visually impaired travelers. The interior climate is controlled by an advanced AI-driven HVAC system that continuously analyzes temperature, humidity, and passenger density to maintain comfort while minimizing power use. High-efficiency LED lighting automatically adjusts brightness according to ambient light and time of day. Connectivity is central to the Class 780 experience. The onboard 5G-enabled Wi-Fi and satellite backup ensure uninterrupted data service even in rural corridors where mobile coverage is historically weak. From an engineering standpoint, the train's propulsion system marks a decisive step toward sustainability. The Class 780 operates as a dual-voltage EMU with hybrid battery capability, capable of switching seamlessly between 25 kV AC overhead power and onboard lithium titanate energy storage modules. This hybridization enables the train to run on non-electrified branch lines without diesel backup, drastically cutting carbon emissions and maintenance costs. Regenerative braking captures up to 30% of kinetic energy during deceleration, feeding it back into the onboard batteries or the grid when infrastructure permits. The traction motors use permanent magnet synchronous technology, providing high torque at low speeds and smooth acceleration profiles ideal for frequent stop commuter services. Advanced bogies with active suspension dynamically adapt to track conditions, reducing vibration and noise, and extending wheel life. Engineers also integrated predictive maintenance sensors throughout the train, tiny embedded units that continuously monitor temperature, vibration, and electrical load to detect wear before failure occurs. Data is transmitted in real time to a central maintenance hub, allowing technicians to schedule interventions proactively and minimize service disruptions. Safety has been placed at the forefront of every design decision. The Class 780 complies with the latest European Technical Specifications for Interoperability (TSI) and the Rail Safety and Standards Board (RSSB) guidelines. It features fully sealed gangways, reinforced crash zones with energy-absorbing crumple structures, and fire-retardant materials throughout the interior. The onboard train control and management system (TCMS) integrates seamlessly with European Train Control System Level 2 signaling, enabling precise automatic train protection, speed monitoring, and driver assistance. The driver's cab itself is a masterpiece of ergonomics. Wide visibility angles, digital touch panel dashboards, and haptic feedback controls reduce workload while increasing situational awareness. An adaptive seating position, coupled with vibration isolation, ensures driver comfort on long routes. Noise levels in the cab have been reduced to less than 60 decibels even at full throttle, allowing clear communication through the integrated radio system. Beyond technical performance, the Class 780 carries profound symbolic weight for the future of British Railways. It embodies the national commitment to achieving net zero carbon emissions by 2050, aligning perfectly with the government's rail decarbonization strategy. The hybrid battery operation is a practical bridge technology that allows service expansion to regions awaiting electrification, particularly in northern England, Scotland, and Wales. For passengers, this means quieter journeys, cleaner air, and improved punctuality. For operators, it means reduced operational costs and compliance with evolving environmental regulations. Furthermore, the train's modular construction allows future upgrades, longer consists, alternative power modules, or full hydrogen conversion, without replacing the core fleet. This flexibility makes the Class 780 a sustainable investment that can evolve with the railway network for decades. Production takes place at Newton Aycliffe, County Durham, a site that has become a symbol of Britain's revived manufacturing excellence. Local engineers, designers, and apprentices collaborate with European technology partners to assemble each car body with precision automation and rigorous quality control. The use of locally sourced materials and supply chains strengthens regional economies while reducing transportation-related emissions. Each train undergoes over 100 hours of static and dynamic testing before delivery, including high-speed trials, braking efficiency verification, and electromagnetic compatibility assessments. Public demonstrations and test runs have impressed railway enthusiasts and industry experts alike, who praise the train's combination of quiet acceleration, refined interior, and responsive braking behavior. Passenger feedback from early preview services on the northern corridor between Leeds and Manchester has been overwhelmingly positive. Commuters cite shorter dwell times, smoother rides, and improved air quality within the carriages. The train's digital passenger information system, which synchronizes with National Rail's central database, provides real-time seat availability maps and journey updates, helping travelers plan connections more effectively. The inclusion of bicycle and luggage zones, foldable seats, and flexible family compartments adds versatility for different journey types, from daily commuting to weekend leisure travel. Even the toilets feature vacuum flush systems that reduce water use by 70% compared to previous models. Energy modeling studies suggest that widespread adoption of the Class 780 could reduce overall fleet carbon emissions by more than 40% relative to legacy diesel units. Maintenance costs are expected to drop significantly thanks to the modular traction packages and digital diagnostics platform. For depot crews, intuitive software dashboards display system health indicators using color-coded graphics, enabling quick fault identification. Driver training simulators have been developed alongside the train itself, providing realistic virtual environments that mimic every control response and track condition. This ensures operational safety before drivers take command of the real unit. In the context of British railway history, the Class 780 can be seen as the natural successor to the Class 800 series and a key component of the evolving British Rail Next Generation program. While its predecessors revolutionized intercity travel, the 780 aims to elevate regional and commuter services to the same standard of comfort and performance. It is a train for both the present and the future, capable of adapting to changing passenger expectations, digital technologies, and climate challenges. As more routes adopt this unit, passengers will experience shorter travel times, reduced delays, and a sense of pride in riding a train that reflects the best of British innovation. Looking forward, the Class 780 will play a central role in shaping the Integrated Rail Plan (IRP) vision, connecting high-speed lines with regional branches and urban light rail systems. Its compatibility with digital signaling and potential for semi-autonomous operation positions it at the forefront of smart mobility. Researchers are already experimenting with AI algorithms that optimize acceleration and braking patterns to save additional energy while maintaining schedules. With further electrification projects under discussion, the Class 780's design ensures it can transition effortlessly into fully electric operation, cementing its relevance for decades to come. In cultural terms, this train also rekindles public enthusiasm for rail travel. Its sleek design, quiet operation, and advanced technology have been featured in documentaries, trade fairs, and digital media campaigns, often described as the face of Britain's clean transport revolution. The official unveiling ceremony, attended by ministers, railway executives, and engineers, marked more than a product launch. It signified a renewed commitment to modernization and environmental responsibility. As the first passengers board this gleaming train at sunrise, gliding smoothly out of the station under whisper-quiet acceleration, they are not just traveling from city to city, they are experiencing the tangible future of sustainable mobility in the United Kingdom. The British Rail Class 780 therefore stands as both a technological triumph and a social statement. It proves that innovation, when guided by purpose and national pride, can transform everyday experiences into something extraordinary. With its combination of advanced engineering, environmental stewardship, and human-centered design, the Class 780 redefines what it means to travel by train in Britain: efficient, elegant, and environmentally conscious. It carries forward a proud legacy into the modern era, ensuring that the railways of tomorrow are not only faster and cleaner but also smarter, safer, and more connected than ever before.